Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be doing a super collab with 3 other resellers that I love to watch. We all were able to grab the ThredUP Desginer Rescue Box. Used to be $90, now it is $120. I guess they decided to be greedy. Same amount of items, 7 items. That comes out to be about 17 something an item. This is the first time I've been able to grab this box. I just so happened to be on annual leave that week. And so I usually work crazy amount of hours and I can't check during the day, but I just so happened to check it one morning because I'm in a group and they posted that there was a bunch of boxes that went live and that just happened to be one of them. And so I got one. The 3 resellers that I am collaborating with the 3 resellers that I'm collaborating with for this ThredUP Rescue Box unboxing is Alicia from Murrayed Life, Jess from Gorgeous, and Victoria from Super Geeked. They are all resellers that I love to watch on YouTube, and I will link their videos down below. But I was super excited when they wanted to collaborate with me. So I peeked in the box. So it's not a total mystery. I wanted to do some comps and I wanted to see, I wanted to do my research and I wanted to see if maybe most of this was real, because if it wasn't real, then I was going to reach out to ThredUP and, you know, of course, ask for my money back because they shouldn't be selling fake things. Without further ado, I have my 7 pieces. This is the first time I was ever able to grab a designer box, so I don't really have anything to personally compare to, but I've watched other people's videos, and so I mean, we'll just see. The first item is this Longchamp La Pliage bag. It is monogrammed with somebody's initials on it. It is in terrible condition. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, there's not only wear in the corners, but there is like a legit hole in the bag, not even where the corner is. The inside is really dirty. It looks like they put something in there. That's probably loud, sorry y'all. And it stuck to the inside of the bag, the print did. So I'm not really excited about this one. Don't really know. I know that you can take, you can send the Longchamp bags to them and they will repair them, but I've heard that it takes a long time to get them back. So if you're going to do that, you might want to send them a couple at once. But I'm not too excited about that one at all. So I hear a lot of people get those bags inside their rescue boxes. And the next item are these Sandro Jeans. They are a size 31. They feel pretty good quality. Believe these are my daughter's size. They are button fly all the way up. Kind of a high-rise kind of mom jean kind of look, raw hem at the bottom. So if these don't sell, I'll probably give them to her. I looked at the comps and they're kind of all over the place, but I think I can probably get 35 to 40 for these. Probably not a quick sell, but and this next one, okay, I'm kind of torn on this, y'all. I only recently found one other item. It is just like this. It is a Gucci, supposedly, size 38. It is a silk blend dress. Feels really nice. The collar's really stiff. I mean, it's got the Gucci logo on the snap and on the little zipper pull. I don't know if you can see that. My nails are terrible, y'all. But what makes me think it's not real is just because of how sloppy this tag is, y'all. It's already faded. But it looks like that. The ones I've seen of these tags on the inside, their text is in a different spot. But I did find a sold comp with this exact dress, and it sold for $300, but I am missing the little gold chain, or the chain that goes right here and it hangs down, and it's got a Gucci emblem on the little hardware. It almost looks like a necklace. It's really cute. I'll insert a picture of that sold comp. Makes me think though that it is real just because they sold it. It's sold on Tradesy. But the tag is hanging off. I just don't know. I don't know. This is real. It's got some flaws. I mean, at the bottom down here, where the seam is, I mean the split is, it's kind of got, I don't know if you can see that, a little bit of pull on that. Other than the missing hardware deal right here. I mean, I could emulate that with something else and just disclose. I really don't know. Maybe I can get $100 for that at most. Who knows? Who knows? The next is this M by Missoni dress made in Italy. It's really adorable. I guess it's a dress. It's got like that really short little mini area or whatever. It's animal print. It's kind of a blue and a peachy color in there. It's not perfect. There are a few snags in a couple places. They're really hard to notice though, except for this one, obviously. I don't know if you can see that. I think everybody can see that. It's almost a little hole. Extra big snag. But I believe it's a size 4. M by Missoni is not as good as Missoni, of course. There is one exactly like this listed. I used my Google Lens. If you don't know how to use that, definitely look it up. I may have to do a short video. But there's one listed on eBay for $129. But of course, you know that listed and sold are two different things. So it's cute. I could get like $40, maybe $50, I think, in the condition that it is. So it's a 40 on here. Okay. Anyways, M by Missoni animal print dress. The next thing I got were these Gucci heels. They're really dirty. They need to be cleaned up. Let me see that. They're like really dusty. There's like, it's almost like crust in there. But they are little bow heels or whatever. Condition's not bad other than being dirty. A little bit of wear on the toes right here. They're a size 5.5 though. They're super, super tiny. I think they're real. Usually there is the logo right here. You can faintly see it. But I think that the 5.5B is going to be a hard sell just because it's a tiny size. So if I can get like, I don't know, 30 or 40 bucks for these, I'd probably be happy. I need to clean them up. Got some gunk on them. But I have one item I'm really not sure of. It is this Gucci Pouchette. I don't know how you say it. Pouchette. Little boat bag or whatever. I don't know. I've seen it be listed several different ways. I'm thinking this one might be vintage, but I don't know if it's real. There's the logo right there. Black. From what I read, that the hardware on these, if you can see yourself in them, which I can, like a mirror, then chances are that they're real. There's probably some scratches, of course, but most of the fakes have like more of like a foggy metal hardware where you really can't see yourself. But I can, let's see if I can see myself seeing myself. Anyways, I'm silly. But the inside has got the inside lining like you see in a lot of Gucci bags, especially the older ones. There is the tag. Come on, focus. There's the tag, made in Italy. And then the serial number, whatever, the style. I mean, I bring up that style and there's a lot that look exactly like this. Here's the thing. If it is real, I will fix it. I'll disclose that I fixed it. And if it's not real though, I probably won't fix it to resell, of course. I won't take my time to do that. I mean, I could carry it myself, I guess. I purchased a Gucci Soho disco bag or whatever, thinking it might be real from Goodwill last year. And it's fake, of course, but I carry it around because it's a crossbody. So, I mean, I wouldn't obviously buy a fake because that's not cool. But since I already bought it and I couldn't return it, might as well carry it. I can't sell it. But the sides right here, they are a little messed up around the leather that goes around the hardware on both sides. I mean, I could get some leather glue, and that the bottom is pretty dirty. But I had a Fendi bag, the same canvas material like this, and it cleaned up really well. So I don't think that's going to be much of a problem, but I don't want to put in the effort if it's not real. So I'm going to do more research on that. But it's cute. It's probably too small for me to carry. But I also heard that on the straps, if they're stiff, chances are that they're probably fake. But if they are supple, very flexible leather like this is, then it's probably real. So I'm leaning towards the real. But I will do more research, reach out to a couple people maybe, just to be on the safe side. And then there's one more item. These are Pear Prada. Very cute. I love the reptilian look of them. Pretty metallic blue. That tag, you see that tag everywhere. But this one, I'm just not sure. So this is like the emblem that's on a lot of their boxes, but you don't really see that on the shoes. I've seen somebody on Poshmark, they sold 2 pairs of shoes. They didn't look like this, but they were similar in style. And those are the only 2 shoes that I've seen that had the emblem like this. So, but it was the same person selling their shoes, so you never know, they could be fake. I'm gonna have to do a lot more research on these. They're nice. They're a size 39 Euro sizing. Very pretty. I don't really see much wrong with that. There's a little bit of little nick right there. But yeah, these are pretty cute. Strappy cute. I like colors, as you can see. Bright colors. If anybody's wondering what is going on behind me, I'm getting ready to do my first live sale. I don't have a lot of time to list. I work like 50 to 60 hours at the post office because I am a postal clerk. So I do this part-time, but I have so much stuff because I like to shop. So I am probably teaming up with another reseller. So if anybody's interested in doing a live sale with me after I get my first one in the books, let me know. Always looking to collaborate, especially if you haven't done one yourself and you want to do one. I'm nervous, but I think that it'd be a really good business model. Just because, for one, you don't know what's going to happen with Poshmark. Mercari is always not on the side of the of the seller, and of course ThredUP. You know, we all know what's going on with ThredUP. Nobody wants to send their stuff to ThredUP anymore. And then eBay is always, I don't know. I don't like selling on eBay either. But I don't have time to list, so I am thinking about doing these live sales and theming them. So my first one is going to be pastels. Lots and lots of pastels, pinks, blues, light blues, purples, and then I have this corals and bolds and brights, my neons, and then back in the back I have a rack of like primary colors, greens, yellows, purples, reds, a lot of solids, not so many prints. And then I have another one back there. I'm trying to organize it. I have another one back there with blues, like denims, things that go with denim, and I'm thinking about making that more of a patriotic red, white, and blue kind of thing. And then of course, you know, might be animal prints after that. I don't know. I'm excited to see where this goes. If I could do a live sale once a weekend, do it once on the weekend, and then I could ship the stuff, you know, during the week, I think that would be good for me. So if anybody is interested in you know, watching a live sale or seeing what I have, I'm gonna try to price pretty good, you know, because I don't have fees. Not really sure how I'm gonna do the shipping yet. I prefer to do priority shipping, but that is, I don't know. So yeah, live sales. If I do, I'll come back here and I'll tell you how I did. So what did you think about my designer box? What did y'all think about my designer box? Did you think I got some good pieces? Did you think I got some fake pieces? Think I got some pieces I can sell to make my money back? I think I can definitely get my money back. I'm just really nervous. I don't like to sell things I don't know are real. A lot of the stuff I can't really reach out to the Divas group because they don't authenticate Prada and especially Gucci clothing. So I gotta hope and keep my fingers crossed. I did reach out to one of the Facebook groups, another Facebook group, just a thrifters group, and I want to see what they say. But it's kind of, when people post things on there, it's usually half and half. Oh, that's fake. Oh, that's real. Oh, that's fake. Oh, that's real. So it's hard to believe anybody unless you get it authenticated, you know, professionally. But even then, I've heard of some people saying that somebody said that it was real and then some other place said it was fake. So I don't know. I might just take the chances. I don't know. Okay, y'all. So the dress, the Gucci dress, I just got a notification that it is real. Just Nick, I will link his channel above. He reached out and he said that it is probably early 2000s Tom Ford era. So, I mean, he knows the dress apparently. So, anyways, thank you, Nick. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Make me happy. ThredUP Designer Rescue Box. I will leave everybody else's link down below and you guys check them out. If you are over here from their channel, thank you for coming and y'all have a great night.